Guys, happy holidays and welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to show you our Christmas decorations in our living room. I have big plans for a Christmas dinner we're having, and I will be doing a special theme for my family for Christmas. And I can't tell you just yet, and I can't show you because it's going to be a surprise. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that setup in just a couple of weeks. So for our living room, we have most of the items I purchased from Dollar Tree, where else? Family Dollar, and Amazon. I'll show you what we did. So we have our railing setup right here. And I think it came out pretty cute. I have, what is this? The garland. And it's actually a mixture of gold and silver garland pieces together. And I just wrapped that all around our banister. And I put these poinsettias on here. And I have the bow with the bells. And then we just wrapped some string lights around it. So if you guys have actually purchased a garland already made, they're very expensive. You know, they can get very pricey. So I wanted to try and do something that was very budget friendly and, you know, still was very cute. So this, the gold and silver garland I got from Family Dollar. The poinsettias came from Dollar Tree. And my big bow with the bells came from Family Dollar. So we have our Christmas tree. Now, I'm not the best Christmas tree decorator, and we need a lot more ornaments, so I do have to add those. And yeah, so I wish I was a better Christmas tree decorator. I see people that have ribbons and mesh tied all around their trees and with the tree toppers, and I haven't gotten that good at that yet, but I am going to add some more lights and we are going to add some more ornaments. We're going to get those today. But right now we have the tree skirt that we got from, I believe, Family Dollar. And we have the tree, which actually came from Amazon. And this is our 8-foot white Christmas tree. And we have the multicolor lights. It looks very cute. And what else? We have over here, I have my little candy canes hanging in our windows. Over here and over here. And these came from the Dollar Tree. On our fireplace mantle, we have the red bows. And if you guys can tell, they're glittery bows. I love glitter. And these came from Dollar Tree. And we have our stockings that I actually got from Family Dollar. And I like these because they actually have the little gold piece right here. We have the silver garland right here that just draped over. Our gold trees came from, I think I got these from Dollar Tree. I can't remember. I got them like 2 years ago. But I believe I did get these from Dollar Tree. And then I actually found the little bows. I just attached to the top of it just to give it a little bit more character. And then same thing with the two little red tinsel trees right here. Also came from Dollar Tree. We have our cute little snowman. He does have a hanger so you can hang him up, but I thought he looked cute just sitting here up against our little table. And then we have our poinsettias. Actually, the poinsettias, I got these from Lowe's. I'm sorry about that, you guys. So I do have the 2 poinsettias from Lowe's, and I have these cute little sleigh that I also got from Lowe's. And then this little sleigh I got from Dollar Tree. And then lastly, we have our little Santa Claus. Oh, his tag is still on him. I'll have to hide that. And that came from, it says $5. And I didn't pay $5. I got this from Family Dollar for like 79 cents on sale. So you guys, please go to your stores after Christmas and get your sales, because that's what I did. That's just a little message that my son made. But yeah, he was 79 cents. So I'm going to hit these stores up again after Christmas to try and get some more of these deals. I hope you guys enjoy watching this. It was so much fun decorating for Christmas this year. And stay tuned for other decorations that I have coming up for the holidays. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos like this. And I will talk to you in the next one, and happy holidays. Take care.